You're going to love the 2010 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, power trunk closing assist, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, skid plates, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.